In this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Messenger account. So to deactivate your Messenger account, first of all open Messenger. Then click on this menu bar in the bottom right corner. Then click on Settings. Now click on Account Center. After that, click on Manage Account at the bottom of the screen. Here, click on Facebook because Facebook is linked with Messenger. Click on Manage. Here in the second option you can find deactivation or deletion. Click on it. Here you will get two options, whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account permanently. Click on deactivate your account, then click on continue. It will tell you that your Facebook page will also be deactivated. Click on continue again. Now enter a security password, then continue. After that your account will be deactivated. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.